How to change the profile picture on TikTok. Let's jump on in. First of all, open up TikTok. Then in the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on Profile. Next, tap on the profile picture. And then tap on this little pen icon next to the profile picture. You can then either directly take a photo with your camera and use that one as your profile picture, or you can use an existing picture. If you would like to choose an existing picture from your gallery, tap on Upload Photo. Then tap on the desired picture. And to change the profile picture now, at the bottom, now tap on Save. You have now successfully changed your profile picture on TikTok. Now let me also quickly show you how to change the profile picture on TikTok on an Android device. First of all, open up TikTok. Then in the lower right corner of the screen, tap on Profile. Next, tap on your profile picture on top. Then tap on this little pen icon right here. And finally select the picture that you would like to use as your TikTok profile picture. Once selected, in the lower right corner of the screen, tap on Confirm. Then crop the selection if necessary. And finally, in the lower right corner of the screen, tap on Save and Post. And to confirm, tap on Save and Post again. You have now successfully changed your TikTok profile picture. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more TikTok tutorials.